Today, we're diving into a 30-day weight loss challenge. Setting realistic goals is crucial, so think about what you want to achieve. Maybe it's fitting into those favorite jeans or feeling more energetic. First up, let's talk about those goals. They should be achievable and specific. Short-term goals, like losing a few pounds this month, are great, while long-term goals can focus on overall health. Now, nutrition. Focus on balanced meals. Fill your plate with veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains, but don't forget to keep those portions in check. Staying hydrated with plenty of water is key. Next, let's get moving. Mix cardio, like jogging or cycling, with strength training exercises. Aim for at least 30 minutes a day, and don't skip stretching. Tracking your progress is essential. Use an app or journal to note your meals and workouts. This makes a world of difference. Finally, keep that motivation high. Find support from friends, set mini goals, and celebrate every little win. You can totally do this.